This is a before photo. Squishing. Over here, 1, 2, 3. Video of my little row of parents. So look at them all ready to go for the demo team. Going so well so far. We have done demo team, we have done board breaking, weapons, and I did my Poomsae. Okay, so here's the start of my competition in Poomsae. I didn't realize that my sister was behind me, so she had been coaching somebody else because we had so many students at this competition. Anyway, noticed in time, here's my walk-in. The first Poomsae that I was doing is Taeguk 8, so Paul John, if you're familiar with that. I feel pretty good with this Poomsae. Taeguk 8 is one of my favorites, like as I've been training. The only part that I kind of felt nervous about was the jump kicks because I'm pregnant. I really don't like anything involving jumping, especially if I have to do high kicks while I'm pregnant, but I felt stable enough to do them just a couple times on the mats today. So we went for it. I want to do like a full audio like walkthrough analyzing my Poomsae later, so I'll just do like what was running through my head in this vlog. Overall, though, I think I did this Poomsae pretty well considering like how much time I put into practicing. I feel like there's a lot of little things that I could have done better, but overall I was pretty happy with my performance. And if my belt looks a little funny, it's because that is actually not my belt. Miss Alex, which you can see on the back left, she actually was kind enough to let me borrow her belt because mine was just not fitting around my pregnant belly. Now I'm going back over to my sister and we're talking about the next Poomsae I have to do with, which is Sipjin, and I do not remember this Poomsae anytime I do it. And like even before I was practicing and I was getting lost in the rotations, so she's like, okay, you got this, you just have to remember to go back this way, and I'm like, okay, like I don't think I got this, but we're just gonna make it happen anyway. So yeah, I just was hoping that I wouldn't forget the Poomsae because that's what I did last time I competed with it, and now it's time to go back, so we're just gonna go out there and do our best. So one mistake that I made when I started doing this Poomsae was I started way too far back. I did not give myself enough room, and you'll see in the middle of the Poomsae in a bit, I will run out of room and I'll just have to make it work. So here's the start of the Poomsae. Okay, when I mentioned running out of room, look at this. I still have to do like 2 more moves going forward here, and I run out of mat space, so I really have to cut this front stance short. But overall, so far, that was probably one of the trickiest parts for me to remember, and so far, we haven't made any big mistakes, so looking good so far, feeling pretty good. I think at this point I realize, hey, I got this. I'm almost done. Just gotta stay focused, and we're about to complete the Poomsae. Little mistakes here and there still, but like I said, overall pretty happy with my performance after so long of not really practicing 100%. And now I get to walk off because I'm done with the Poomsae, and I go over, high fives to my sister. I'm sure I stressed her out. And then awards. This was really cool because second place got taken by one of our awesome instructors. She's been working so hard on improving her Poomsae, and I was really grateful to get the gold medal. So it was really cool to be able to take home first and second to Amy's. Now we're moving on to sparring. How excited are you?
Super excited.
All right, here's our awesome girls team. Have you guys competed yet?
Yeah.
How'd you do?
One.
Yeah, and we got more to do, right?
Yeah.
I like it. So we're after lunch break. The kids have been sparring. They've all been doing so freaking good. Like, I am so impressed. It's been how many years? Like 6 years? No. Okay. 2024, the last Utah State tournament we had was back in 2019. I don't know if you can hear me or anything, but I'm so glad we're getting back to having Utah State tournament. Like I always do, I forgot to end the vlog after this, but overall, just such a good competition, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.